Get ready to witness raw power and precision in action. From high-speed lasers to heavy-duty recyclers and spring forgers, we're showcasing the coolest industrial machines on the planet, only here on Machines Visit. Let's dive in. Tilt rotary furnaces are essential for high-efficiency metal recycling, especially aluminum. These rotating furnaces melt scrap evenly while reducing energy use. The integrated charger load materials automatically, cutting down on manual labor and heat loss. Once melted, the furnace tilts to pour out molten metal with precision and safety. The result? Faster cycles, cleaner melts, and maximum material recovery. A smart solution for modern foundries aiming for performance and profit. Order Image Hale Yakima takes carpet cleaning to a whole new level with advanced automated machines. Each carpet is brushed, pressure washed, and deep rinse to remove every trace of dirt and bacteria. The system adjusts to different carpet types, protecting fibers while delivering a deep, uniform clean. After washing, high-speed wringers extract moisture, followed by rapid drying to prevent mold. Fast, hygienic, and professional, Ordo Image makes your carpets look and feel brand new. The Repin 2 Rollers hot spinning machine is a precision beast designed for forming seamless high-strength cylindrical parts like artillery shells, gas cylinders, and aerospace components. Using extreme heat and synchronized twin rollers, it shapes metal blanks with surgical accuracy, reducing material waste while increasing structural integrity. The dual roller setup ensures faster forming cycles and consistent wall thickness across the entire part. Plus, its CNC-controlled operation allows automated precision for complex geometries and tight tolerances. Built for speed, strength, and reliability, this hot spinning machine is a game-changer in high-performance metal forming. Ever wonder how industrial pipes are made? It all starts with raw steel sheets that are unrolled, flattened, and fed into a forming mill. Here, massive rollers bend the metal into a perfect cylindrical shape. Then comes high-frequency welding, fusing the seam under intense heat and pressure without using any filler material. The welded pipe is cooled, straightened, and then cut to length. Next, it undergoes non-destructive testing to check for cracks, leaks, or weak spots. Finally, the pipes are coated for corrosion protection and bundled for shipping. From flat metal to flawless pipe, this is manufacturing at its most precise. The Tex Interbraiding machine is a high-speed, precision-driven system designed to weave complex braids from multiple yarns or wires. Whether it's for textile reinforcement, medical tubing, or aerospace cables, this machine delivers unmatched consistency and strength. It uses rotating carriers that interlace threads in intricate patterns, forming durable and flexible tubular structures with adjustable speed, tension control, and programmable patterns. It's built for both versatility and high-volume production. From shoelaces to fiber optics, the Tex Interbraiding machine is a quiet powerhouse behind products that demand both flexibility and strength. Midas Agri tires are built tough from the ground up. The process begins with blending natural and synthetic rubber, followed by precise layering of textiles and steel belts for added durability. Using advanced molding machines, each tire is shaped and cured under high heat and pressure to ensure optimal tread strength and flexibility. The result? Superior grip, long life, and resistance to wear even in the harshest farming conditions. Trusted by farmers worldwide, Midas tires are engineered for performance where it matters most. Out in the field, knives combine traditional Japanese craftsmanship with modern precision engineering. It starts with high-carbon stainless steel layered and forged to create a razor-sharp, durable blade. Skilled artisans then grind, polish, and hone each edge by hand, ensuring unmatched sharpness and balance. The handles are carefully fitted for ergonomic comfort and long-term durability. From raw steel to final inspection, every step reflects centuries of blade-making mastery. Tojiro isn't just a knife. It's a cutting instrument crafted for chefs who demand perfection. Retour Mattress is revolutionizing mattress recycling on an industrial scale. Once old mattresses arrive, they're automatically dismantled layer by layer. Foam, textiles, metal springs, and wood are all separated with precision. Each material is then processed individually. Foam is shredded and reused in insulation. Steel springs are melted down and textiles are repurposed. The entire system is designed for speed, minimal manual labor, and maximum material recovery. With over 1 million mattresses recycled annually, RTOR Mattress is turning bulky waste into valuable resources and giving old beds a brand new purpose. The Esprit Photon 5G fiber laser is built for speed, precision, and next-gen cutting power. Using a high-powered fiber laser, it slices through steel, aluminum, and even copper with extreme accuracy and minimal heat distortion. Its advanced gantry system delivers smooth, high-speed motion, while onboard software optimizes each cut for efficiency and edge quality with auto-loading tables and intelligent nesting. It reduces waste and boosts productivity. Whether it's fine detailing or heavy-duty sheet metal, the Photon 5G brings clean, consistent results every single time. The automatic carton box packing machine streamlines packaging like a pro. It picks, folds, fills, and seals boxes all in one seamless motion. Sensors detect the product, trigger precise carton erection, and ensure accurate placement without jams. High-speed arms handle multiple units per minute, cutting down labor and boosting output. With compact design and programmable settings, it's perfect for factories aiming for speed, consistency, and zero downtime in their packing lines. The UCS-16 is a high-precision cutting machine built for serious industrial performance. Equipped with powerful blade system and servo-controlled axes, it delivers clean, accurate cuts on a wide range of materials from metals to composites. Its intuitive interface allows for quick setup and real-time adjustments, making it ideal for both short runs and mass production. With high speed, low error margins, and minimal material waste, the UCS-16 brings unmatched reliability to any cutting operation. Bosch Solar is powering the future one panel at a time. The process begins with ultra-pure silicon wafers carefully treated and layered to create high-efficiency solar cells. These cells are then soldered into strings, laminated between protective glass and backsheet layers, and sealed for durability. Fully automated machines handle everything from cell placement to final inspection, ensuring precision and consistency across every module. Each panel undergoes rigorous testing for performance, weather resistance, and long-term reliability. The result? Clean, efficient solar energy. Engineered with Bosch's legendary quality and built to last at LED strip manufacturing, is a blend of precision electronics and automated assembly. It begins with flexible PCB rolls where surface mount LEDs and resistors are soldered using high-speed pick and place machines. The strips then pass through ref flow ovens bonding components under controlled heat. A protective silicone or epoxy coating is applied for water and dust resistance. Next, the strips are cut, tested for brightness and color consistency, and rolled for packaging. With low power consumption, customizable lengths, and vibrant lighting, these strips are used in everything from home decor to commercial displays, lighting the world one diode at a time. Music, amplifier manufacturing blend precision electronics with acoustic engineering. It starts with assembling the printed circuit board PCB where resistors, capacitors, transistors, and ICs are mounted using automated pick and place machines. Once soldered and tested, the board is fitted into a heat-dissipating chassis designed to minimize interference and distortion. High-quality transformers and power supply units are installed to ensure stable output. Then comes rigorous audio testing, measuring clarity, gain, and signal-to-noise ratio under real-world conditions. Finally, the amplifier is polished, labeled, and packed. From signal processing to speaker output, every detail is engineered to deliver crystal-clear sound with powerful precision. Milan Group specializes in advanced sheet metal processing with precision and speed. From laser cutting and CNC punching to bending and welding, every step is handled using state-of-the-art machinery and automated systems. High-quality metals are shaped into components with tight tolerances ideal for automotive, electronics, and industrial use. Surface treatments like powder coating and anodizing ensure durability and a sleek finish. With fast turnaround and strict quality control, Milan delivers parts that are ready for performance straight off the line. Rewall Recycling is redefining metal recovery with cutting-edge technology and sustainability at its core. At the heart of their operation are giant shredders and advanced separation systems that break down everything from cars to industrial scrap. Using magnets, eddy urns, and air classifiers, metals are sorted with incredible precision, maximizing purity and reuse. Rewald also invests heavily in clean energy and CO2 reduction, making their process both efficient and eco-friendly. With over 170,000 tons of material recycled annually, Ryewood turns waste into raw value, fueling industries while protecting the planet. The Kingsbury CNC milling machine is built for precision engineering at its finest. Using computer-controlled multi-axis movement, it carves complex shapes out of metal, plastic, or composite materials with microscopic accuracy. From aerospace components to automotive parts, every cut is clean, consistent, and repeatable. Its rigid frame minimizes vibration, while high-speed spindles deliver smooth finishes even at tight tolerances. With automated tool changers and intuitive software, Kingsbury machines boost productivity and reduce setup time, making them a trusted name in high-performance machining across demanding industries. ATDMS design. Lathe work begins with precision and planning. The process starts by securely mounting the raw workpiece into the chuck, followed by careful alignment to ensure accuracy. The team then selects the right cutting tools based on the material and desired finish. Speeds and feeds are calibrated on the control panel, optimizing for clean cuts and minimal tool wear. As the machine spins the workpiece, cutting tools shape into exact dimensions, be it turning, facing, or threading. Every step is closely monitored to meet tight tolerances. For DMS design, quality machining starts long before the first cut is made. Hot wound springs are engineered for strength, flexibility, and heavy-duty performance. The process starts by heating high-carbon steel rods to over 900 degrees Celsius, making them malleable enough to coil. Once red-hot, the steel is wound around a mandrel to form the spring shape, then immediately quenched to lock in hardness. After cooling, the spring undergoes tempering to relieve stress and enhance durability. Precision grinding ensures flat, even ends, while shot peening improves fatigue resistance. Used in railways, heavy machinery, and industrial suspensions, hot wound springs are built to withstand massive loads and extreme environments. If you enjoyed that, there's plenty more machine power waiting for you. Check out our other videos for more epic tech in action. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Machines Visit, where innovation never stops.